Who's that over there? That's Buddy and Bunny. That's Buddy and Bunny. They're trying to get their mommy's tennis ball. She's not going to give it up. Oh, no, she's not. Hey, Bambi. Good girl, Bambi going potty. Yes, a good girl. Hi, buddy. Oh, hey, pretty boy. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, pretty boy. Hey, pretty boy. Hi, Bambi. Hi, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. There's Blaze. Wait. Blossom. We need you over here, Blossom. Come on. Come on, Blossom. There's Blossom. There's pretty girl. She looks like a little bunny. She's hopping like a little bunny. Who's barking, huh? Who's barking now? Who's barking? Who's that barking? Buddy? There's Buddy boy. There's Blossom. There's Bunny over there. There's Bunny. Did you try to get some food, Bunny? There's no food in there. So, Mr. Blaze got the ball, I see. I see Mr. Blaze got the ball. Now Blossom wants the ball. Now Blossom wants the squeaky ball. Hi, Buddy. You in your bed? I think Buddy's in his bed to keep warm. It's kind of cold on the floor here.